Here we have a 1998 Jeep Cherokee, and I wanted to show you what the sway bar links look like and where they're located. There's one on each side, driver's side and passenger. They are identical, and if you look here right to the kind of the bottom left of the spring, you'll see this link, and that is actually your sway bar link. There's one right here, and one right down there you can see. But hopefully this video helps at least give you an idea of where those are located, if you have any clunking or anything in the front of your Jeep. But otherwise, good luck with your project. Hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions, please post below, and have a great day.